2 golf courses, a $36 million capital program underway. Grand Harbor has never lacked for substance until this week. It lacked one place to find it. That's the gap. Grand Harbor Homes Vero Beach was built to close this. The amenity base holds up under scrutiny. The harbor course, the river course offer 2 genuine rounds of golf. The beach club sits directly on the water, not near it. And the membership trend is the number that matters, more than any marketing line, from 560 members just 5 years ago to over 1,100, while the average age has dropped to 72 from 79. That's not a community coasting on its history. That's a community getting younger while it grows, which brings me to the figure that we're worth watching the most. $36 million. That's the capital commitment behind the Cove Wellness Center. 15,000 square feet, designed by Leo Daly, approved by 77% of the membership. Breaking ground this September. Capital investment at a scale typically moves ahead of the price. A window to buy is now before a project like this delivers, rarely stays open long. The site for it all, the golf, the beach club, the tennis, pickleball, dining, the community calendar, and the real estate is all organized for the serious buyer, not the way a brochure is laid out. I'm Ben Bryk with Vero Premier Properties, a signature division of Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. If Grand Harbor is on your list, the research starts at Grand Harbor Homes, VeroBeach.com. The conversation starts with us. Call me at 772-713-9455 or call Vance at 772-913-3426.